Hello, let's do the Minute Cryptic for January 24th. Today's clue is by Liam Runnels. Primate couples with priority in boarding Noah's boat. So Noah's boat could get replaced with ark with a K. And we're in, what's the in boarding though? I wonder if Noah's boat would also be, I mean, if Noah's boat was the definition, that's a problem because that's just the ark. And if it was the ark, it would be 2 words. It would tell us 3,3. All right. So I don't think Noah's boat is the definition, which would make primate or primate couples the definition. In is a common indicator to just be like, take whatever's to the left, put it inside what's to the right. So you kind of split up the letters of the right side and you stick the thing to the left in it. Primate. I mean, so my thought still is that primate would be our definition and we just need gorilla or chimpanzee or something like that. But I mean, it could even be human, but human doesn't fit. Humans are primates with priority is like the first. So like with priority could be the first letter of with, which is W. So the W goes inside of boarding Noah's boat. This might be the first one in a bit that I've had to take a hint. I don't know what else to do here. Does ark at all help us with somehow making a primate? Also, the question mark means it's a stretch of a definition. Like, they wouldn't need the question mark if primate was our definition and gorilla was the answer, right? That would just be a straight up definition. So why do we have the question mark here? What's our stretch? I'm not sure. Does couples with is that just an indicator that's just thrown out to say, hey, just put this next to this? Does couples get replaced with a different word for couples? I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a hint today. Let's take the indicator hint. When I take the indicator hint, holy cow, I look at what it highlights first before I read the hint. Couples with priority in is one indicator, because if it was multiple indicators, we wouldn't have the spaces highlighted. Yeah, and the answer is bonobo. So what this is saying is, so remember I said priority was first letter, so it's couples with. So couples are 2, right? So we're taking the first 2 letters in boarding Noah's boat. So B-O is the first 2 letters of boarding, N-O is the first 2 letters of Noah, and B-O is the first 2 letters of boats, and a bonobo is a primate. Why did we have the question mark? I don't know. So yeah, I don't think we should have had the question mark. That actually threw me off a bit. Because I think if I had just said all the primates I knew, I would have eventually reached bonobo, and that would have fit. But anyway, how'd you do?